is Marie. I'm back from our Manila kitchen. So on my first video, I show you how to make chicken adobo. And then I have left lots left over. So I said, what will I do with this chicken adobo? So I just thought to make it siopao, chicken adobo siopao. That is like a steam bun. So I will show to you how to make the dough. You will need 260 ml milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, 100 grams sugar, 500 grams flour, and lime. This lime makes your dough white. Now we're gonna start putting together milk, yeast, a pack of yeast, sugar, salt, stir it. Until the mixture is foamy. So in a large bowl, I have a large bowl. I will combine the flour, 100 grams of sugar, baking powder, and vegetable oil. So mix this together. And just add a drop of lemon juice or lime juice. Now, as you can see, the yeast is already foamy. So I will add this to the dry ingredients and mix it. Then I will transfer this to my helper, KitchenAid. Alright, first I will do it in a slow speed. So I will dust the surface so that I can knead the dough. Okay, knead the dough until it's smooth. And then I have here a bowl. I put some oils and also on the lid so that it won't stick. The dough will rise. And let it rise in a warm place for about 2 hours. Okay guys, while we are waiting for the dough to rise, so I told you I'm using the chicken adobo. So what I did with the chicken is I separate the bone, the meat from the bone, and I just shred like this. Okay, warm it up a little, this chicken adobo. And I have separate a small sauce from it. I will add some Hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I have this all-purpose flour, which is like a Wonder quick mix flour to thicken up the sauce. Just for the taste, like just 1 tablespoon of this oyster sauce, and then the Hoisin sauce. Now my kids love more Siopao adobo than Siopao asado. So I transfer it back in the bowl and let it cool. Now the dough double its size, and then what we have to do is I will dust again the surface. So that the dough won't stick on the surface. And just so you can make these maybe 10 to 12 Siopao. Okay, so I have to cut this at least 10 or 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then roll this. I have a box paper and parchment paper you can use. So after you roll the dough, so I put it in a tray, and then I have a damp cloth right here. I will cover and wait again for another 20 to 30 minutes to rise. So now you have to roll again, flatten up so that we can put the filling. Go. Just fold it. And then twist it. We're gonna repeat until we fill up all the dough. Okay, and I have to cover it again for another 10 minutes. So I have here my puto steamer or Siopao steamer too. So now the water is boiling. What I have to do is I will add a little bit vinegar in the water. So you steam this one for 10 to 15 minutes. And make sure you have another cloth. Before you cover it, so that the steam will not get wet the bun, the Siopao. I'm so already excited to eat this. I never had this for a long time. So we're gonna set for 15 minutes first. Guys, I guess my Siopao is ready. Okay. Ooh, this is hot. All right. Go. You see? Okay guys, this is my finished Siopao that I just cooked. And I will show it to you what's in the inside. It's look yummy and soft and tender. Of course, this is for me. This is my piece. And I have here the sweet chili sauce that we like to put on top of the Siopao. Okay, are you guys ready? Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.